All right, Kyle, this is perfectly level. The phone is, and then you can see where the base of these mounts are just bent up a bit. I'll see what I can do to level her out for you. Bye. All right, Kyle, so mostly straightened out, but then you can see we have a missing fastener there. I'll see what I have. But this is interesting. So the socket was replaced, and along with it, you can see that metal film resistor in there as opposed to that carbon comp. And that metal film looks like it has a little charring developing in the center. So that's gonna have to go. But apparently, you know, when you're out of the right hardware, you just weld it. I don't know if that was welded or soldered on, but that takes one hell of an iron. One hell of an iron. You can kind of see it's cracked there on the side, huh? Let's see. So we can instigate an issue. All right, this may be going too deep in the weeds at this point, but let me pop off this filter cap cover, rather, the old doghouse as they call it, and see what's up. All right, Kyle, I haven't removed this yet, but I can tell you I'm the first person to have serviced this amp. Well, I mean serviced it, not repaired it. It hasn't been serviced yet. This, your last socket, what is that? V6, the Agilent V6. That last socket has been replaced, and again, the dude, I don't know if he welded the fastener in, or if he just welded the that little bear trap there, the tube clamp, but we'll see. This is sticky. I know it hasn't been opened yet. Let's open it together. You know, these vintage amps, they're just an adventure. Each one is its own unique little adventure. You find these cool little date codes, these little service stamps on the back. Some of them have like parts that were familiar to their predecessors, you know, the earlier generations. You might have parts from, you know, blonde or rather brown face, or even some of the blackface stuff in here. You never know what you're going to find until you actually lift things up and look around. It's super interesting to look around and see what's in there. God. Let me guess. Once again, let me guess. These are original Mallory caps. These are leaking from their vents. I've never seen the old silver can Mallories that had this type of a seal. This is actually electrolyte material coming out. Those need to go away. Those need to go bye-bye. Let me guess. Of course. 25th of December, 1978. Frank, it's me again. You from the past. Merry Christmas, you absolute goon, you. Love, Frank. Well, this was actually kind of nice. I don't know what got into me, but hey, I think I'll keep this one. All right, Kyle, nothing sensual here, just a quick flyover. All original, these silver caps here are all electrolytics that need to go away. This guy needs to come out. I should probably look at rebuilding this bias board. And then take a peek. This is your replacement socket. The guy did not use any fasteners. He literally soldered or welded in the socket. I think I could correct that if that was something that you would want to have done. But so far, visual inspection. I haven't done any electrical testing yet. I haven't checked voltages at the tube sockets. I haven't done anything. I haven't checked for any sort of leakage or whatnot. So this is just the quick visual. All right, bye.